Hey, what's up guys? Today I am sharing with you one of my favorite cleaning hacks, how to clean your ceiling fans with nothing but a pillowcase. If you're not already subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. It is my favorite way to clean my ceiling fans. It's so easy and basically free. If you have a spare pillowcase or an old pillowcase laying around, that's all you need. The best way I've found is stretch the pillowcase on top, bring it to the very end of the fan, tighten it with your hand, and pull all that nasty dust off right into the pillowcase. Look at all this dust that got trapped in our pillowcase. Imagine if I didn't use a pillowcase. This would be everywhere. One of the best cleaning hacks ever. If you like the video, make sure to leave it a big thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot and lets me know what kind of things you guys are into. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I put out a new video every week on all kinds of different homemaking topics like cleaning motivation, decorating, seasonal recipes, all that kind of good stuff. So if that's something you're into, definitely hit subscribe. I have a bunch of stuff coming up you're not going to want to miss. I hope your week is filled with peace, love, and fun. Thanks for watching.